do you aspire to uphold justice, shape policies, or fight for human rights? Strathmore University's law school is known for producing top legal professionals who make a real impact. If law is your passion, this is where your journey begins.
We're seeking not only to educate good lawyers, but lawyers that are good. Apart from offering the core legal units, we also have a number of courses which are unique to Strathmore Law School, and also the wider university programs like Introduction to Critical Thinking. We have History of Ideas. We have Alternative Dispute Resolution, which is a compulsory unit in our case, and it integrates a component of mooting for assessment purposes. We also have what we call experiential learning in our curriculum. It encompasses, again, mooting, law clinic, and law review. Students run a journal which is called Strathmore Law Review, and they have to learn how to do research, how to assess their peers' work, and also to choose the best articles for publication.
Strathmore Law School focuses on hands-on learning, ensuring that by the time you graduate, you're fully prepared to excel in the legal profession.
Strathmore's emphasis on practical learning has enabled me to apply concepts that I learned in class in real-life situations. I joined the Strathmore Law Clinic in my first year. I then took up the role as project lead, and then in my second year, I took up the role of project coordinator of the Criminal Justice Department. My experience at the Strathmore Law Clinic shaped me into becoming a better person through actively listening to people, through working well with people, through collaborating with different partners outside Strathmore, such as justice defenders and the Remand Project. So it has enabled me to grow as a person, to be more organized, and as well as to create networks with different people.
At Strathmore Law School, excellence is our culture. Our students lead in local and global Moot competitions and tap into a powerful network of partners worldwide.
Through that, we broaden our network. We give our students an opportunity to do an exchange program in their last semester of the LL.B program. That alone creates opportunities for further studies and also for job opportunities out there.
As we're out there engaging with real-life people, we get to see how many gaps there are in the law and how the law is applied practically. Whether you envision yourself in the courts, in a corporate boardroom, or in a government office, you are equipped with the skills you need to succeed.
Ready to shape the future of justice? Your journey in the legal world begins here.